The next set of symbols that we're going to study is the rest. We already know that the notes indicate the sound of music when we play them in a musical instrument. The beats or counts indicate the duration or length of sounding the notes. So for example, if we use the piano as our instrument, to play a whole note means we hold the key for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. To play a half note means we hold the key for 2 counts. 1, 2. In music, precise counting is the most essential skill that a musician can learn in order to form the playing of the notes into beautiful sounds of music. The music rule says the musician must keep the counting even if the notes are not played. In other words, counting must continue even in silence. And this is where the music rests come in. Music rests are classified according to their beats or counts, just like the notes. Each music rest is represented by a symbol. This is the whole rest. It has the same 4 beats as the whole note. The only difference is the whole rest has 4 beats of silence. This is the half rest, which has the same 2 beats as the half note. We shall look at these 2 rests a little bit more in the next few sections when we write them in the music staff. Now meet the quarter rest, which has the same 1 beat as a quarter note. This is the 8th rest with 1/2 of a beat of silence. And lastly, the 16th rest, which has 1/4 beat of silence.